What's going on, guys? AJ Bellinger Motorsports. I know it's been a while, and it's been a very long while since I made a video, but a lot of stuff's been going on. Obviously, had a baby. He's now 6 months old. Moved into a new shop. I'm not sure if y'all have even seen the shop yet. We've got 2 race cars, a modified, a late model. We're picking up another late model next week. We just got too many cars. We've got our big motor in this car, and what we're going to do is sell it. Jeff Parsons has bought this motor, so we're going to sell this one. We're selling this Barry Wright, and then we're picking up a 2021 Masters built next week. If you haven't seen our new shop, this is it. The sign shop is in the front half, and then back here is the race shop. So a lot more space, a lot to do. I've also took a job. I'm working full time now, and then still running the sign business at night. So I'm burning a candle at both ends. I've got 14,000 damn motor plates, and I always seem to lose the damn things when it's time to take a motor out. All right, and Dad must be taking a day off work today. Damn it. Well. Probably gonna have to put the camera down to find this motor plate because I have absolutely no idea where it's at. The bad thing is we've got, I don't know how many of them, because it seems like every time we can't find one, we buy one. So we've ended up with 14 of them. All right, I gotta find this thing.